4.5-star luxury hotel connected to the convention center in Fatih. 2 restaurants, a full-service spa, and an indoor pool are available at this hotel. Wi-Fi in public areas is free. Additionally, a fitness center, a bar lounge, and a sauna are on-site. Hotel Sultania Boutique Class offers 42 air-conditioned accommodations with iPod docking stations and DVD players. Each accommodation is individually furnished and decorated. Beds feature premium bedding. A pillow menu is available. 32-inch LCD televisions come with satellite channels and pay movies. Coffee tea makers and mini bars are provided. Bathrooms include showers, slippers, complimentary toiletries, and hair dryers. This Istanbul hotel provides complimentary wireless internet access. Business-friendly amenities include desks, laptop-compatible safes, and phones. Additionally, rooms include complimentary bottled water and ironing boards. Housekeeping is offered daily, and hypoallergenic bedding can be requested. Recreational amenities at the hotel include an indoor pool, a sauna, and a fitness center. Sultan Spa Center has 2 treatment rooms. Services include deep tissue massages, facials, body scrubs, and body treatments. The spa is equipped with hot springs, mineral springs, a sauna, and Turkish bath hammam.